Have you ever guessed how many jelly beans are in the jar? That's what today's word is all about. Welcome to Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is estimate. Can you say it with me? Estimate. Let's spell out loud. E-S-T-I-M-A-T-E. That spells estimate. Estimate means to make a careful guess about the amount, size, or value of something. Here are some words that mean the same as estimate. Repeat after me. Guess, like trying to say how many jelly beans are in the jar. Predict, like guessing tomorrow's weather from the clouds. Evaluate, like deciding how long a project might take. Calculate, like using math to make your guess closer. Approximate, like saying your walk to school takes about 10 minutes. Each one shows how estimate means making a smart guess. Now let's look at the opposites of estimate. Measure, like using a ruler to find the exact length. Ignore, like not even trying to find out. Neglect, like skipping the chance to check. Disregard, like saying the number doesn't matter. Misjudge, like making a wrong call about size or amount. That's the opposite of estimating. Here's a great example. Sofia estimated how long it would take to walk to school. Quick check. Estimate means to make a careful guess about the amount, size, or value of something. Synonyms: guess, predict, evaluate, calculate, approximate. Antonyms: measure, ignore, neglect, disregard, misjudge. Estimating helps you make quick, smart guesses that guide you toward the right answer. Estimate how many steps it takes to cross a room or how many blocks you can stack. Bonus points if you check your answer. Estimating helps you think fast, even when you don't know the exact answer. Keep making smart guesses, word explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sophia.